Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix misplaced emails in iPhone mail application in iOS 26. So of course this problem occurs still in iOS 18, but here we do have the iOS 26. So here now we just have to search for our email which is misplaced. So for example, here we do have primary, and I don't want to be Samsung in primary. We have to hold the finger on here and tap more. Now we have to scroll down till we see categorize sender. We have to tap that, and now we can fix the category where we want to Samsung be located in. And for example, I want Samsung to be in promotions because this message was a promotion. Here now we have to tap continue, and now all Samsung emails will be located in the promotions section. Let's have a look. Here now we don't have it yet, and as you can see it is here now. We just have to find this email here. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.